What's the meaning of conduction? Conduction. Conduction.
Conduction. Conduction. Conduction refers to the transfer of heat or electricity through a material without any perceptible motion of the material itself. This transfer occurs when there is a difference in temperature or electrical potential between 2 points in the material, causing energy to flow from the hotter or higher potential point to the cooler or lower potential point. The result of conduction is a gradual equalization of temperature or potential throughout the material until it reaches thermal or electrical equilibrium. Conduction plays an important role in many physical and technological processes, from cooking food to transmitting electrical signals through wires.